Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to practice intonation on the ELSA Speak application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on this third icon down below and click on intonation at the top of the screen. Here you can add filters, selecting the level, easy, medium and difficult. Then the topics can be selected too. You can add more than one. Then if you are done with adding the filters, click on the done button down below, and here you're going to find the relevant exercises available. After you are done with adding the filters, you can you can tap on the start button and you will be able
I went to the store
to improve your intonation by doing this exercise. So as you can see, the parts that need to be emphasized are in bold. If you want to listen to it, tap on the speaker icon in the middle of the screen.
I went to the store.
And if you are done, tap on the this microphone icon down below, and you will be able to practice your intonation by reading out this sentence. I went to the store. So if it's correct, it will turn to gray, and you will be able to proceed with the exercise by tapping on this arrow pointing to the right direction. If you want to re-listen, tap on this ear icon down below. I went to the store. And then you can also add to this, or you can save this exercise by tapping on the bookmark icon down below, and you can add it to your study set by clicking on the add button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.